Your overthinking survival kit. If your brain feels like it's constantly working against you, this video is for you. Overthinking can turn small decisions into exhausting battles and make progress feel impossible. If you're trying to start an online business or simply want peace of mind but feel stuck in mental chaos, you're not alone. In this video, we talk about why overthinking feels so overwhelming and how constant mental spirals drain your energy and confidence. When your mind keeps replaying worst-case scenarios or second-guessing every move, it's hard to trust yourself or move forward. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel paralyzed by indecision or self-doubt. You'll hear why your brain isn't broken, it's just stuck in protection mode, and how gentle, practical tools can help interrupt those loops without forcing you to think positive. You don't need to silence your mind or fix everything at once. You need support that helps you slow the spiral, make decisions faster, and feel grounded again. The Stop Overthinking Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed as a true survival kit for overthinkers. Inside, you'll find exercises to interrupt mental spirals, frameworks to simplify decisions, and mindset shifts to rebuild self-trust. It's especially helpful if you're using resale rights digital kits and need a clearer, calmer mindset to take consistent action.